So, I welcome you guys to take a glass of wine. If you're 21 and above, take yourself a nice tea or coffee, whatever you like, a blank sheet of paper, a pen, and just sit and relax because we're gonna really make 2018 your best year so far. So I'm gonna teach you guys some of the things that help me to kind of rethink and plan 2018 to be my best year. And I know it's gonna be your best year as well. So first thing I want you to do is to think about 5 things you are super proud of yourself and grateful that happened to you in 2017. It could be something you accomplished, something you did that you really feel that you are on the next level, whatever that is. And you're gonna feel right away this kind of feeling of gratitude and just feeling like well accomplished, and this is how you're supposed to start. Don't focus on the negative, don't focus on what you didn't do yet. Don't worry, we're gonna achieve them, but just be in that mode and state of gratitude and just kind of say, you know what, I did my best and I'm proud of myself. After you wrote at least, I hope, 5 things you are proud of yourself, I want you to write 5 things that you learned this year. What I mean by that, it could be a lesson from experience that you had or something you learned. Just anything that you come up with your head and kind of things that happen you through experience or through a breakup or through a relationship or through a person or whatever thing that happened to you and kind of a life lesson that taught you. It's kind of really good to put it into words and kind of take this lesson and bring it to 2018 and maybe hopefully learning some new lessons. After you have your 5 lessons that you learned, I want you to think about 5 things that you didn't accomplish. Hopefully less or more, it doesn't matter actually. But just think about 5 goals or 5 things you didn't achieve last year and you definitely want to put in the center of stage this year. It could be anything, whatever that is. For me, I feel that I just wanted to achieve more in terms of singing, more in terms of my business, and all those things that I kind of wish I did more last year. But that's totally okay because I accomplished so much in 2017. But this year, I want to kind of take all the things that I didn't do in 2017 and just don't brush it and put it underneath the rug and put it in the center stage and kind of finding a way to make this happen this year. Now that you have your 5 things that you didn't accomplish this year, now let's be honest. What are the behaviors and what are the beliefs you put into your head or story you told yourself why that kind of didn't help you to reach those goals? So write them down. What are the beliefs or behaviors that didn't help you to achieve those goals? So, and be honest with yourself. Honestly, nobody's looking at it. It is for you. And when you put it into actual paper, and no, don't text it to yourself, don't write it down in your notes, but really write it down with your hand. It's gonna help you to really see visually, you know what, this is what I'm doing, and just be aware of this of it. People say first thing that help you to kind of resolve a problem is just the awareness of it. Just kind of see it into paper, see it into your existence, and it will help you to kind of overcome it much more easier. Now, after we're being a little honest with ourselves, let's kind of promise ourselves that we are choosing to let go of those beliefs, of those behaviors, and just say those words. Just say it into sentences. I choose to let go this and that. I choose to let go this kind of person. I choose to let go this belief that I told, this story that I told myself. I choose to let go of a certain behavior that I know is not good for me, but I'm choosing to let it go. And really put it into 2017. There's no room for self-destructive in behavior or thoughts or beliefs that really doesn't help us. You need to understand you are your best friend, your life coach, your everything. You need to really put yourself first into success and really see it really clearly and be as honest with yourself as possible so you can really achieve better things in 2018 and just in life in general. Now, after we kind of say goodbye to 2017, we learned our lessons, we let go of all the things that limited us. Now, I want you to set goals based on who you are. Now, it's really easy to set goals that are something that we are expected to do or things that we think we should do, but they're not in line with who we are as people. That's why a lot of people that kind of doing their goals kind of in the middle of the way, they see that just they're not, they want to do it because it's not who they are, it's not part of their belief system. So really think who you are as a person. What are your values? What are your beliefs? What is your vision of life? What are the things you're passionate about? What kind of brings that fire into you? What are the things you actually want in your life? What are the things you're good at? What are your talents? What are your strengths? Those things really gonna give you a better picture of who you are. Now, again, we're changing all the time. It's really hard to say kind of, oh yeah, this is who I am. It's gonna be a work in process, but just kind of try to ask yourself those questions. And the more you ask yourself those questions, the more you're gonna be in tune with yourself and you're gonna know who you truly are. Now, are you guys ready? Let's make those goals. Choose 7 goals that you want to accomplish this year. The reason I say 7, because I want it to be well rounded. Don't choose just career, don't choose just health, don't choose just relationship or love. Really choose 7 good kind of goals that represent all kind of aspects of your life. It could be career, it could be learning, creativity, spiritual, physical, health, whatever that is. Make it an in present tense. I am earning X amount of money. I have this position. I own this house by, and try to put also a date right next to it. I own a house by September 2018. Whatever that is for you. So you can really kind of your subconscious mind already feel it and it can be manifested in your life. After you guys have your goals, this is where your strategy and your action plan come in place. For each goal that you have, I want you to think about 3 or 4 things that could help you to manifest that goal you have. So let's say you want to earn $100,000 a year. Okay. Now, it sounds like for most people it's a lot, for some people it's not, but whatever that is, it's a number. And you need to break it down. So, how many things I need to sell? How much I need to gain, what my salary should be in this job. If it's not enough, I need to make extra. How much I want to save each month to kind of get myself into the more financial abundance. Whatever that is, put it into smaller steps and put it into your calendar. Really put for each action that you have, this week I'm going to focus on that. This week I'm going to focus on that. And it's always going to be a work in progress, which is okay. It doesn't have to be by this date, but definitely make sure that it's in there. Because if not, it's just going to be hanging on your wall and it has nothing to do with you. It has to be part of your rituals, has to be part of your daily routine. So I hope, guys, I helped you and I wish you amazing 2018. Let's make this year count. Forget about what happened in your past. It's in the past. Don't bring this energy with you. Just take the best, whatever you learn. Everything is a blessing. And please look at that this way. And don't think about goals as, oh, I have to achieve it. And if not, I'm a failure. No, it's what kind of person you become while you achieve those what do you achieve those external things, because in the end of the day, money comes and goes, things come and go, position comes and go, people come and go, but in the end what lasts is what kind of person you are. So I wish you guys to be a better, stronger, smarter, wiser, more compassionate person this year. And please comment below, what is your goal this year that you want to accomplish? Put it into word. Let's kind of be a community and help each other to achieve those goals. And please come say hi to me on my social media at Natalia Music NYC, and my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Don't be shy. I promise you I won't bite. And I'll definitely see you on my next video, and have a beautiful, prosperous year. Bye.